There are many elements to increasing your productivity. It may be just something simple like a window management tool. Today we are putting two window management tools head to head and to see what features they offer and how they can actually benefit your workflow. Today we're having a look at Moom. We're also having a look at Rectangle. We're going to see what they have to offer, so let's check them out. All right, so some of Moom's key features, which we'll be jumping into now, includes window control, layout, snapshots, drop zones, and multi-display support. Let's get into it. So first of all, window control. So you can actually move and resize windows via an intuitive mouse overlay or a snap window to your screen's edges with pixel perfect precision. It also allows you to save and restore custom window layout snapshots, which allows you to instantly recreate your ideal workspace configuration with one single click. The drop zones, you can drag windows to designated snap points based on your saved layouts for rapid repositioning across your display. And the multi-display support includes seamlessly managing windows across multiple monitors with advanced arrangement optimized for your specific hardware setup. So Moom also has great usability and great controls. So you can actually control windows through an extensive array of customizable keyboard shortcuts or intuitive mouse actions that adapt again to your specific workflow. The hover overlay interface appears when positioning your cursor over any Windows green zoom button, providing instant access to window management options. So the hover control allows you to move and resize any window with modifier keys and mouse movements, even those running in the background. And then the drag and drop allows you to use intuitive interactions for snap and drop zone management without any complex menus or complex settings. Some of the advanced customization, if you're looking for some advanced stuff, they're versatile layouts. So you can actually create saved layouts for any combination of open windows without restrictions to specific applications. This means that you can arrange everything from browsers to design tools in your preferred configuration. You can also trigger multiple window actions sequentially or simultaneously using chains. And for example, you can move and resize everything together. This basically automates complex window arrangements with like one single command. You can also structure your custom actions with folders and menus, separators, creating a logical organization system for different projects that you may be working on in different contexts or window arrangement needs. You also have custom snap regions, so you can configure unique snap regions throughout your display, each capable of triggering multiple possible actions for maximum flexibility and control. So the Rectangle, all right, let's check out what they have to offer. Some of their key features include their free and open source. So you can enjoy powerful window management without the cost barrier with full transparency and community support. We all know that open source software is amazing. You can also snap windows to halves, thirds, quarters, or maximize the simple drag and drop gestures. It has very precise control, so you can access 12 drag and drop snap points per monitor for exact window positioning. That's awesome. It's also a very lightweight design, so it has minimal system resource usage with frequent updates, ensuring that your system stays stable and you will be getting access to any new functionalities. So some of their usability and their controls. All right. So they have menu bar access. So Rectangle's main menu is accessible via the menu bar icon, providing quick access to all window management actions without digging through all of your settings. It has an extensive set of customizable keyboard shortcuts that empowers your user to reposition and resize windows without touching the mouse, which of course maximizes efficiency. It also features a simple drag any window tool, which allows you to drag any window to your screen edges for instant resizing or even positioning. This maximizes the dragging to the top of the edge or your split screen by dragging to the left or the right edges of your screen. It also has a clear distraction-free interface, which ensures focus remains on the work that you're busy with while providing a very powerful window management capability in the background. The last thing over here is their customization and use cases. So they are fully customizable keyboard shortcuts that will match your personal workflow. Their Pro version, which is $10, adds multi-monitor support for additional snap areas, and it instantly reconfigures without any manual input when your system restarts. And it's focused on efficiency and simplicity with minimal system resource usage. You get split screen for coding and browsing, testing or documentation reference, and you can arrange document or video call windows for seamless remote collaboration. It is really a great all-in-one tool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. A comparison right here, a brutal, honest comparison, highlighting all of the best features and benefits from all of the software that you've just seen. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.